What's up guys, welcome back to yet another review video. In this video we'll review Oxygen OS 11.0.4.4 for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. We'll be covering all the basic stuff like performance part, camera portion and battery segment. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my OnePlus 8 which is running on the stable version of Oxygen OS which is 11.0.4.4. which is the latest stable version for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. Yesterday we also created a poll on our community tab asking you guys about the bugs what you have been facing on stable channel for OnePlus 8 series. We got around 1.3k votes in which 73% users said that it's completely stable and they don't have any kind of issues. But still 27% of users are facing issues. So I've tried to cover all the comments which I got it on this community post. If I have missed out anything, do let me know in the comment section below. One of the major issue what OnePlus users have been facing is related to wideband security level. And I'm exactly not sure what's the issue on few OnePlus devices. People say that after updating to the latest version of stable channel or beta channel, the wideband security level had been downgraded to L3. But as you can see here on my device, security level is L1. So guys, I personally don't have any kind of solution about it. I would request you guys to report this bug on OnePlus community forum. But I'll try to figure out if I get any workaround. I'll let you know guys in the comment section below. After that, still users are facing issues related to smart messaging services. They are unable to bypass the setup of smart messaging. So guys, for this first make sure your messaging app version is version 6 or above. And if you still face any kind of issues, try to clear caches and data of the messaging app. Because as you can see here, I had no issues related to setting up of smart messaging service on my OnePlus 8. And on every video we also get comments related to gallery application which always reloads photo whenever it is opened. So guys, this is an issue on all OnePlus devices including OnePlus 7 series and 8 series. OnePlus needs to optimize this application more for better experience. And another issue what people have been facing is related to 4K videos not being played in the gallery application. But as you can see here, I have a video of 4K. You can check out the details and I don't find any kind of issues playing this video. Basically this build is very close to stable, few minor bugs are here and there, but that can be easily ignored in a daily usage. Then there was also a comment regarding Assistant not working on the lock screen, but that's not the issue. On my device, Assistant works great if my device is even logged, and here you can see that. Okay Google. And that's working fine on my device. And if it's not working on your device, then open the Assistant app and complete the setup. And another bug what people have reported in the comment section was related to orientation. And as we all know that if auto rotation has been turned off and whenever we rotate the device, we get this icon towards the bottom side. And on Oxygen OS 11, this only appears when we have disabled the hide bottom bar. If we enable hide bottom bar, then we don't get to see that rotation icon whenever we rotate a device. And another bug what was reported by one of my friend Jaiswal is related to YouTube. Basically, if we are watching any video on YouTube, we have this swipe up gesture for turning into full screen. And he reported that this feature is not working on the videos with the aspect ratio of 9:16. So I'm not sure it's a bug related to Oxygen OS or with the video aspect ratio. To turn such videos in full screen, we need to manually tap this icon. And fingers crossed I don't get copyright for showcasing this video. And as we all know that OnePlus have added this new feature of rewind recording in the gaming tool. But for some reason, rewind recording feature doesn't include audio because it was reported by one of our users. And then I personally tested. Yes, audio is not being recorded in rewind recording feature. So guys, these are the few minor issues what are available on Oxygen OS 11.0.4.4. And now let's move on to the camera part. Basically, there are no new additions done and I personally did not find any kind of improvements over the previous version. Here are few samples which you can take a look at them. No issues with the portrait mode. I'm happy with the edge detection and depth effect. But I personally want OnePlus to do some improvements with 2x zoom lens. As you can see here in these samples, wide angle and 1x zoom does a pretty good job. But when it comes to 2x zoom, colors are completely overexposed. And this is the case with almost all OnePlus devices. I personally also did not find any kind of improvements with the night mode pictures or pictures clicked in tripod mode. Also, while recording super steady videos in low lighting conditions, you'll see lots of noise. And I think OnePlus also needs to improve this thing. So basically there are no improvements to be seen over the previous stable version of Oxygen OS when it comes to picture quality. Now let's talk about the battery segment. So as I say in my every video, battery backup completely depends on your personal usage, and every individual have a different battery backup or the screen on time. And here's the graph of battery backup which I got it on my OnePlus 8 with initial 3 cycles. With first cycle I got 4 hours and 49 minutes of screen on time with 35% of battery still remaining. With second cycle I got 4 hours and 41 minutes of screen on time, and with third cycle I got 5 hours and 7 minutes of screen on time, and these screen on times are with my normal usage. And these are the stats of overnight battery drain. On day 1 I only noticed 5% of battery drain in 9 hours. On day 2 around 7% of battery drain in 8 hours. So overall again not much of improvements to be seen when it comes to battery backup on this latest stable version of Oxygen OS. Last but not the least, let's also talk about the performance part and gaming part. I personally feel RAM management have been improved with this latest update, wherein I used to get around 5.5 to 6 GB of RAM usage, but now it's been reduced to around 5 GB. And again, this completely depends on your personal usage, so might vary for every individual. When it comes to gaming, I did not find much of lags or any kind of issues while playing game. Device was easily able to run PUBG Mobile in higher graphic settings with 90 FPS. And there are slight heating issues if you play game for a longer time with 90 FPS, and this was also reported by most of the users. Here's a small gameplay. If you want, you can take a look at this.
Killing spree for the red team. Cover me. Reloading. Enemy down. Kill. Cover me. The red team is in the lead. Dead. I need a weapon. Killing spree for the red team. Nice shot.
So guys, overall I did not find much of improvements if we compare it with the previous build of Oxygen OS, which was 11.0.3.3. I think OnePlus gonna take little more time to fix the bugs available on Android 11 stable builds. But if you guys haven't received the update, you guys can anytime update your device. There are no major bugs which will affect your daily usage. So guys, this was a quick review of Oxygen OS 11.0.4.4 for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.